go, dude. Oh, I got a cat on a leash. Oh, what? Ah!
Sorry.
It's so
She's
bad.
gripping me.
It's so bad.
No, no, no.
What in the fuck is in my back seat?
This is your sign to buy some balloons and stick them on your cat.
Reggie, don't eat him.
What you got on you? Hands on the wall, don't move. Quit moving, you're going to the pound. Where's the drugs? Where's the drugs? Don't you hit me. That's aggravated battery to police officer. Hands on the wall. Hands on... Son of a... Taser! Taser!
Oh, darling.
But you smell so nice. You're so soft and squishy and cuddly. I love to squeeze you. But you're so cute.
Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
Oh, you're awake. Well, your teeth are finished, and your gums should be here by the end of the week.
Where's my dick at?
My life. I have my time back, and I can get what I need without going to the store. Go to grove.co today.
Can you help mommy? Okay, thank you.
I didn't mean to do it.
I'm convinced my cat is waterproof. Rolls off. Twerks. More twerking. It doesn't absorb.
I came in to take a shit. And these boxing in the bathtub. Hey. There goes one. Little dude. Get out. Bro, what?
So I read on the internet that cats
get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little business.
Hey, yo, Travis Caddy, the fans want to know how you get that auto-tune. What are you doing for it? Dead silence. She won't reveal her secrets. Okay, I see you.
Let me show you Peanut. Hello, Peanut. Hi, buddy. Hi, little man.
What?
I love you.
What are you guys looking at?
Mommy, mommy, mommy.
Guys, you're not helping. Shut up. Shut up.
I really wish you would stop sitting up there because you've tried and you've fallen twice and caught yourself. So, not on the socks. Oh, God. Literally doesn't care. Oh, my God. Percy. Oh, my God. Percy.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Rise and shine, gorgeous. You ready to start the day?
It's literally 6 a.m.
That's okay, I'll just wait. You ready?
Loretta.
Oh my lord.
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Just kills me every time. I don't know why she does this, but watch when you go to YouTube. There's a little spinny thing that comes on every now and again, and she is obsessed with it.
It's crazy outside, isn't it? Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep boop.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does. One reason that you should get a cat.
She just found my headphone, bro.
Here we go.
Elliot, what's in there?
Oh no!
Can I get an hour? Can I get an hour?